When we talk about top class sound, we talk about top class. Playing top class singers like these. Yeah, the top class on all year round, playing classical music like these. Take it away.
I'm gonna say tune into the top class sound. One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a ball. Let me tell them something now.
We talk about top class sound, we talk about top class. Playing top class singers like these. Yeah, the top class on all year round, playing classical music like these. Take it away.
People see me acting strange, they might say it's a burning shame, but the people don't realize the pangs of hell that I feel. So let them say I'm mad, they don't know how it feels to be sad. I don't know who could be glad in a situation like this. My last shirt's torn off my back, but that's not quite the fact. My shoe is down to my socks. No place to lay my head. I don't even own a bed. I can't remember when I have eaten bread. They don't seem to realize what really keeps me alive. It's the part that's so great no man can destroy. They'd like to understand just where I get my helping hand, so they criticize why I live and live. Babu babu babaya, babu babu babaya, babu babu babaya, babu babaya, babu babu babaya, babu babu babaya, babu babu babaya. People see me acting strange, they might say it's a burning shame, but the people don't realize the pangs of hell that I feel. So let them say I'm mad, they don't know how it feels to be sad. I don't know who could be glad in a situation like this. My last shirt's torn off my back, but that's not quite the fact. My shoe is down to my socks. No place to lay my head. I don't even own a bed. I can't remember when I've eaten bread. Babu babu babaya, babu babu babaya, babu babu babaya, babu babaya, babu babu babaya, babu babu babaya.
Top class, top class sound, 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 top class sound.
She's got something to hide. I think she wants a clown, someone to take for a ride. I'm telling her that I'm too experienced to be taken for a stroll. I'm too experienced for someone to rock and roll. Too experienced to be taken for a ride. I know it's not my foolish pride. She hates the sight of me because I turn her off or down. She's always saying we were meant to be. Somehow she thought I'd be her clown. This is what I said, that I'm too experienced to be taken for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll. Too experienced to be taken him for a ride. I know it's not my foolish pride. Want me around. She's got something to hide. I think she wants a clown, someone to take for a ride. I'm telling her that I'm too experienced to be taken for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll. Too experienced to be taken for a ride. I know it's not my foolish pride. Too experienced to be taken for a stroll. Whoa! My resistance is getting weaker. I just can't stand the pressure. I can't be any meeker. I've got to find me some of the treasure I need. Nothing to be a man, because I was born a man, and I deserve the right to live like any other man. My mind is in such a state. Sometimes it makes me sick. At times I've tried to hate, but I just don't know the trick. I need nothing to be a man, because I was born a man, and I deserve the right to live like any other man. Experiences taught me wisdom. Thank God I've got some life left. I'm getting out of serfdom. My soul.
Well, big sound like Top Class, man. A big sound, man, a Top Class sound.
My resistance is getting weaker. I just can't stand the pressure. I can't be any meeker. I've got to find me some of the treasure I need. Nothing to be a man, because I was born a man, and I deserve the right to live like any other man. My mind is in such a state. Sometimes it makes me sick. At times I've tried to hate, but I just don't know the trick. I need nothing to be a man, because I was born a man, and I deserve the right to live like any other man. Experience has taught me wisdom. Thank God I've got some life left. I'm getting out of serfdom. My soul has stand the test. I need nothing to be a man, because I was born a man, and I deserve the right to live like any other man.
Top Class, champion sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound.
I've got to go back home. This couldn't be my home. It must be somewhere else, or I would kill myself. 'Cause I can't get no clothes to wear, can't get no food to eat, I can't get a job to get bread. That's why I've got to go back. sadness, nothing but sadness, nothing like a future here. I've got to leave this land. I've got to find myself on some other sand. I just can't stand this life of living. Lord, I can't get no clothes to wear, can't get no food to eat, can't get a job to get bread. That's why I've got to go back home. Even if I've got to walk, I've got to go back home. Even if I've got to fly, I've got to go back home.
We're talking about top class and we're talking about top class. Playing top class singers like these. Yeah, top class on all year round, playing classical music like these. Take it away.
I've got to go back home, Lord. This couldn't be my home. It must be somewhere else. Or I would kill myself. 'Cause can't get no food to eat, can't get no clothes to wear, can't get a job to get bread. That's why I've got to.
And I say tune into the top class sound. One love, one aim, and 92 chocolates, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell you something now. Top class, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound.
Oh, the games people play now, every night and every day now. Never meaning what they say, never say what they mean. First you want away your hours in your ivory towers. Soon you'll be covered up with flowers in the back of a black limousine. People walking up to you, saying glory, hallelujah. Then I try to suck it to you in the name of the Lord. Na 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 dee. Talking about you and me in the games people play. Then they teach you how to hesitate, read your horoscope and cheat your fate. And furthermore, to hell with hate, come on and give me some more. Na 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 dee. Oh, talking about you and me, yeah, and the games people play. Turn around and look at what you see. Oh, what is happening to you and me? God, that in a serenity, yeah, to remember who I am. First you're giving up your sanity for your pride and your vanity. Turn your back on humanity, yeah, and you don't give a damn. Na 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 dee. Talking about you and me, yeah, and the games people play.
Lincoln Stoke in a real life.
request them. But take it away.
Jackness, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something.
Top class, top class, top class, top class, top class.
How do you feel when your baby's gone? How can you sleep with no one to keep you warm? You toss and turn, you cry all night. It's such a feeling, it gives an awful fright. I made a mistake. class, man. A big sound, man, a top class sound.
Lincoln Stokes in a real life, quaff them. But
I made a discovery. I wanna share it with you. I have you know that it's true. Multinational are really criminals. All forms of gambling. There's no way you can win. Open your eyes. It's time you realize that the rise in the price is to make more money for who's got plenty. And the trick of the trade is to keep all the hungry bellies empty. Oh, check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Don't you know? Check it. Oh, it's the break of the day. It's time now. You have a say. You've been sleeping all night, and now it's time for the light. Come see these legal crooks who learn their tricks by the books. So-called disciples of God who rule with an iron rod. Open your eyes. It's time you realize that the rise in the price is to make more money for who's got plenty. Yeah, and the trick of the trade is to keep all the hungry bellies
keep the fire below set. Whoa, my beer, yeah. Even the top class sound.
Lights turn way down The wind is blowing gentle, you and me feeling sentimental. I love the way that you move, baby. Just keep it in the groove, darling. I love the way that you move, baby. Just keep it in the groove, darling. Ooh, yeah. You wanna go all night? Sure, with me it's alright. We're only just beginning. The nightlife is a singing. Finish with this one first, then we go and quench our thirst. Ready when you are, girl. You and me going very, very, very far. I love the way that you move, baby. Just keep it in the groove, darling. I love the way that you move.
Man, say tune into the top class song.
Just keep it in the groove.
One love, one even 92 Japanese, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
You're sweeter than all of that. Ooh, yeah. This one is that fire, satisfying my desire. She's a frequent flyer. It means we're gonna
Top class,
go much
top class,
higher.
top class, top class, top class, top class.
To be true to one another, to be kind and gentle to each other, to do your best when it's asked of you, to do what you have to do when you're supposed to. You've got to feel it. You've got to feel the soul down inside of you. You've got to feel it. Oh. If you're to feel it, you've got to be clean. You got to make it straight. You can't believe. To share the joys togetherness can bring. To the true soul, you just have to cling, and then you will feel it, feel it, feel. You'll feel the soul inside of you. You got to feel it. Oh.
To the top class song. One love, one even 92 Japanese, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Open your heart to what I mean.
In the whole world, you know, there's a million boys and girls who are young, gifted and black, and that's a fact. Young, gifted and black.
We must begin to tell our young.
There's a world To be young, gifted and black is where it's at. Young, gifted and black.
We must begin to tell our young.
There's a world waiting for you.
Yours is the quest that's just begun.
When you feeling real low, yeah, there's a great truth you should know. When you are young, gifted and black, your soul's intact. Oh,
Young, gifted and black. Oh, how I long to know the truth.
there were times when I look back.
And I am haunted by my youth.
Oh, but my joys of today is that we can all be
Well,
proud
big sound like Top Class, man.
to be young, gifted and black is where it's at. Is where it's at. Is where it's at.
You don't know how you make your family feel.
Top class, jumping sound,
To
jumping
do
sound,
the
jumping
things
sound,
that you
jumping
need.
sound, jumping sound.
Say the things you please. They say you're in cocaine. Oh, you should change your name. They even say you're insane. You don't know how you make your teachers feel. To write the things you know, discuss the things you learn. They say you're dropping out. You'll be a thief without a doubt. For a youth, your heart's too stout. You should know how you make your rich friends down. To hear you're in the slums, existing just on crumbs. They don't know the joy within that you share with your ghetto skin. You're tired of rich happenings.
When we talk about top class sound, we talk about top class. Playing top class singers like these. Yeah, the top class on all year round, playing classical music like these. Take it
don't
over.
know how you make the society frown. To walk the streets in town, they'll laugh, there goes a clown. They say you're looking slim. Oh, you should be sweating out in a gym. You even need a trim. They don't know how it gives you joy inside to see them run and hide. When bills flows in like tide, they should be walking proud, express themselves aloud, not hiding from the collecting crowd.
And I say tune into the top class sound. One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
the heartbeat, like Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
I never heard it. music so sweet. I repeat, it's the heartbeat, like Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
Like Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
Like Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
Like Rasta reggae music. All who can't hear will feel. I appeal, beg, borrow, but don't steal this Rasta reggae music. Hey, hey.
Rasta reggae music.
All who can't hear will feel. I appeal, beg, borrow, but don't steal this Rasta reggae music.
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 And this is Rasta reggae music. Scarmento and Rocksteady are history. Preserve the dignity of this your Rasta reggae music.
Top class, champion sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound.
Scarmento and Rocksteady are history. Preserve the dignity of this your Rasta reggae music. Hey.
Rasta reggae music.
And this your Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
And this your Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
Love your Rasta reggae music. Music, music, music. Never heard a music so sweet. I repeat, it's the heartbeat, like Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
Never heard a music so sweet. I repeat, it's the heartbeat, as Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
Like Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
Like Rasta reggae music.
Rasta reggae music.
Love your Rasta reggae music.
And I say tune into the top class sound. One love, one aim, and 92 chaplets, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a ball. Let me tell them something now.
Your heartbeat, you can beg, you can borrow, but don't steal. You can enjoy. Baby, you've been out of town so long. I was wondering why I never heard from you. I was beginning to think maybe I'd done you wrong, only for you to call and say you missed me too. Now I'm inviting, come on over here tonight. I wanna rock you and show you everything is still alright. Yeah, come on over here tonight. Let me rock you. Your pleasant company will cause I share delight. How we used to dig each other's company. Friends would look at us and see a perfect match. Yeah. And though it's been a while since you've been gone from me,
company. Remember, all the fire stick is easy to catch. Now I'm inviting, come on over here tonight. Let me rock you and show you everything is still alright. Yeah. Come on over here tonight. I wanna rock you. Your pleasant company will cause I share delight.
We talk about top class sound, we talk about top class. Playing top class singers like these. Yeah, top class on all year round, playing classical music like these. Take it away.
Baby, you've been out of town so long, and I was wondering why I never heard from you. Yeah. I was beginning to think maybe I'd done wrong, only for you to call and say you missed me too. Now I'm inviting, come on over here tonight. Let me rock you and show you everything is still alright. Hey. Come on over here tonight. Let me rock you. Your pleasant company will cause a rare delight. How we used to take each other's company. Yeah. Friends would look at us and see a perfect match. Oh, it's been a while since you've been gone from me. Yeah. Remember, all the fire stick is easy to catch. Now I'm inviting, come on over here tonight. I wanna rock you and show you everything is still alright. Hey, come on over, baby, come on over. I wanna rock you, love. I wanna rock you, love.
Top class, champion sound, top class, top class, top class, top class, top class.
Lincoln Stout.
I knew one day
In a real life, quaff them.
for a day. Somehow I've always cherished that day. Look at it now, we met by new chance. If it's alright, then let's start a romance. It's alright with me, so let's go. If it's true love, then our hearts will know. Let's
from the start.
A big
When
sound,
you
man, a
told
top
me
class sound.
that you love me from your heart, I believed every word, only to find out all the things you said absurd. How could you be so untrue, girl? Don't you think about the things you say and do? How could you tell me that you love me, and then you turn around and rub me with your lies? Ooh, you lied. Girl, you lied. Ooh, you lied. Lied, 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 lied. From the start, when you told me you were someone I could trust, so sincere, yet so smart, only to find out that it wasn't love but lust. Ooh, you stabbed me in the back. When I turned around, you launched an attack. But you told me that you loved me, and you said you needed me, but girl, you lied. Ooh, you lied. Girl, you lied. Girl, you lied. How could you be so untrue? Don't you think about the things you say and do? How could you tell me that you love me, and then you turn around and rub me with your lies? Girl, you lied. Huh. Yes, you lied. I found out. Yes, you lied. Ooh, you lied, lied, lied. Yes, you lied, lied, lied. Ooh, you lied. I'm moving on, going on. Got my bags and I'm moving on.
When we talk about top class sound, we talk about top class. Playing top class singers like these. Yeah, top class on all year round, playing classical music like these. Take it away.
Woman has to want to love you. It makes no sense. You're trying to force her to feel the feeling of loving. Feel the feeling of needing. See, a woman's got to feel the feeling. Yeah, a woman naturally got to feel the feeling. The woman, yeah, got to feel the feeling. It's hers. The
woman naturally got to feel it. Woman, got to feel the feeling. Yeah. If you got to fight it, you better give it up. See, love, no, it must flow, it must flow, it must flow naturally. Said, love's gotta flow, gotta flow, gotta flow naturally. Gotta flow, gotta flow, gotta flow, gotta flow naturally. Gotta flow.
Lincoln Stone. In a real life, question.
Anymore, I am leaving. That's for sure. I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving. That's for sure. No matter what I do, can't seem to break through. Thought I'd done my best. Now they're still asking for the rest.
What do you do when you feel lost? How do you find your way around? What do I do to pay the cost? To get myself up from off the ground.
I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving. That's for sure. I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving, that's for sure.
Giving up is not an option.
No. There are ways I must create.
Yeah. Despite the opposition,
I have no time to hesitate.
I can't stand this
anymore. I am leaving. That's for sure. I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving. That's for sure. Putting my best foot forward. Scale the obstacles. Oh yeah.
From now on it's forward. Everything is possible. Yeah.
I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving. That's for sure. I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving. That's for sure. I'm leaving. This life is hard, so very hard. Can't take it right here.
Yes.
Moving forward. Yeah. Oh. space for in between. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in.
Can't separate me from my baby. Don't you even try.
I say tune into the top class song.
Each other crazy. Don't even wonder.
One love, one even 92 jobless, no man can curse. Link and kick it with like a band. Let me tell them something.
Don't you even try. We still like drive each other crazy. Don't even wonder why.
They're always trying to test the strength of what we've got. That nearly never bothers us. We know we've got a lot.
Can't separate me from my baby. Don't you even try.
No, you can't.
We still like drive each other crazy. Don't even wonder why.
Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah.
Top class, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound.
That won't do a thing when you're growing old. You may possess all the things money can buy. You ain't got a thing till you got peace in your mind. Peace in your mind, joy in your soul, love in your heart, brother. Peace in your life, peace in your mind, joy in your heart. You ain't got a thing till you got peace in your mind. Whoa, 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 yeah. You may own stocks and big bank accounts. You may own cattle in large amount. You may possess all the world and its gold. You ain't got a thing till you got peace in your soul. Peace in your mind, joy in your soul, love in your heart, people, joy in your soul, peace in your life, love in your heart. You ain't got a thing till you got peace in your mind. Whoa, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. You may acquire material gain. Make sure in the end it won't bring you pain. In spite of all you may have obtained, without peace it would all be in vain. Talking about the peace that passes all understanding. Peace of the Father, peace of the Almighty, peace of the Son, peace of the Spirit of truth, peace that circles the world, yeah. Peace of the Creator, peace of Jah, peace of Emmanuel, peace for 1,000 years, yeah. After that peace for eternity. Talking about divine peace.
I say tune into the top class sound. One love, one even 92 jobless, no man can curse. Link and kick it with like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Just take these chains away and set me free. Remove me out of bondage and we'll agree. Too long I've been a slave, I wanna be no more. I'd rather dig my grave than be locked behind the door. I wanna
class, champion sound, champion sound, champion sound, champion sound, champion
The birds whistle their songs, sweet melodies linger on for everyone to see. The beauty of unity in a reggae land, 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 in a this reggae land, 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 in a reggae land, 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 in a this reggae land. There's rhythm in everything we do, coming from within all the way through. We got music in the breeze, leaves dancing in the trees. In a reggae land, 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 in a this reggae land, 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 in a reggae land, 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 in a this reggae land. I said right now, everything is
We talk about top class sound, we talk about top class. Playing top class singers like these. Yeah, top class on all year round, playing classical music like these. Take it away.
every day I rise with the sun. It's golden rays shine on for everyone to see. The beauty of this country. In a reggae land, 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 in a this reggae land, 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 in a this this reggae land, 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 in a reggae, 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 in a reggae land, this reggae, in this reggae land, 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 in a reggae, this reggae, and that's the reggae, and this reggae, that's the reggae, and this reggae, in this reggae land, 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 in this
tune into the top class sound. One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Why I don't call you? I'm protecting my emotions. You ask if I don't miss you. You rejected my devotions. Don't like the way that you behave when I'm in your company. My finger onto it, something just doesn't fit. So I'll stay far and be myself. Lord, be myself. Just got to be myself. All the one every time. I thought that I could touch you. Whoa, you put up I'm keeping you at a distance. Don't like the way that you behave when I'm in your company. You act so strange. Can't put my finger onto it. Something just doesn't fit. So I'll stay far and be myself. I've got to be myself all the time. Be myself. Oh, all the while. Be myself. Not afraid to be. Be myself. Love how I feel when I'm being myself. All the while. All the time. You ask why I don't call you, no baby. I'm protecting my emotions. You ask if I don't miss you, no. You rejected my devotions. Don't like the way that you behave when I'm in your company. I feel so strange. Can't put my finger onto it. Something just doesn't fit. So
Top class, jumping sound, top class, top class, top class, top class,
be myself. All the time I love to be myself. Yeah. Music sweet and slow.
Man, say tune into the top class sound.
Let's turn away down.
One love, one him and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a ball. Let me tell them something now.
Music sweet and slow. Let's turn away down low.
top class, jumping sound, top class, top class, top class, top class.
We're feeling really good. The windows are wide open. Not a word spoken. The wind is blowing gentle. You and me feeling sentimental. I love the way that you move, baby. Just keep it in the groove, darling. I love the way that you move, baby. Just keep it in the groove, darling. Ooh, yeah. You wanna go all night? Sure, with me it's alright. We're only just beginning. The nightlife is a singing. Finish with this one first. Then we go and quench our thirst. Ready when you are, girl. You and me going very, very, very far. I love the way that you move, baby. Just keep it in the groove, darling. I love the way that you move, baby. Just keep it in the groove, darling. Honey, sugar, syrup, you're sweeter than all of that. Ooh, yeah. one is that fire, a real live wire, satisfying my desire. She's a frequent flyer. It means we're gonna go much higher.
Top class, jungle sound, top class.
This one is forever. Leaving, I'm never leaving, I'm never leaving, never, never, never. Oh baby, just keep it in the groove, darling. I love the way that you move, baby. Just keep it in the groove, darling. Ooh, you're my all-time lover.
Man, stay tuned into the top class song. One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Take my heart out, put it on the table. Do almost anything you want. Climb to the mountain top if I'm able. I'm not the one to say I can't. If needs be, I will turn the other cheek. We'll even walk the extra mile. Yeah, don't condescend to me because I'm me. Don't underestimate my style. No, I won't let anybody push me over. Been down that road so many times before. And he who tries to diss will have to run for cover. I won't lay down and die no more. Die no more. No more. Another thing. Take my last out, give it to the needy. 'Cause that's the way that we should live. Can't comprehend how some of us are greedy. We have so much, yet we don't give. And when I give, you say that I'm a fool. Thinking that I'll always be poor. But he who has his soul intact, I know is gonna be rich forevermore. I won't let anybody push me over. Been down that road so many times before. And he who tries to diss will have to run for cover. I won't lay down and die no more. Die no more. No more.
Man, stay tuned into the top class song. One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
The extra mile. Oh, don't condescend to me because I'm me. Don't underestimate my style. No, I won't let anybody push me over. Been down that road so many times before. And he who tries to diss will have to run for cover.
Top class, jungle sound, top class, top class, top class, top class. Top class, Champion sound, 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 champion sound.